Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am showing immunity boosting drink. It has all goodness of Indian spices. So let's get started. First I have taken a saucepan and for this I am adding around 1 cup of water. For this I'll be adding around half a tablespoon of jeera and half a tablespoon of black pepper. This is crushed, not a powder, and fresh ginger around 1 inch. Finally, the basil or Tulsi around 4 to 5. Just give it a good mix and let this come to the boil. You need to drink this milk once in a week at night times. Once it has come to the boiling, we will add turmeric or haldi around 1/4 tablespoon and give it a good mix. We need to boil this till the water reduces half. We need to close the lid and we need to boil till the water is reduced to half, because if you keep it open, all the goodness of the spices will be evaporated. So better close the lid and boil this for 5 minutes. Once it has nicely boiled and all the freshness of herbs are incorporated in the water, we will add milk to this mixture. So I have taken around half a cup of milk and I'll be adding it to this and give it a good stir. Once you have added the milk, no need to boil too long, just let this come to the boil. Once it has come to the boil, give it a good mix, switch off the flame, close the lid and let it leave for 5-10 minutes, then we can serve this. I have taken a glass and for this I'll be adding around half a tablespoon of honey. If you don't like sweetness, you can skip the honey, but honey has all the medicinal value, so better to add honey to immunity will be boosted. Filter the milk what we have prepared, to give it a stir and our immunity boosting drink is ready. Have it once in a week at night times after dinner. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please subscribe and like this video and also share with friends and families. Thank you so much.